This is a review for the bug bite thing. So what is this thing? So basically it is just a suction tool. So you'll pull it back like this while it's on your skin, and it will help to remove insect venom, saliva, and the other irritants that are left under your skin from those bites using that suction. So it does have two different tip sizes. So it has this one, which works for most size bug bites, but if you have a bigger area that you want to tackle, you can flip it over and use that side. But all you do is you just put it on the affected area and you pull back, and you want to leave it on for about 10 to 20 seconds. It won't hurt, you'll just kind of feel it pulling. And then once you go to let go, your skin will pop out, and it will leave a little bit of a circle right there just to kind of show you the area. But I love that it's just a natural way without using, you know, anything topical to help with the itching. So it'll help with mosquito bites, bees, wasps, biting flies, chiggers, and other bites as well. But it's just a great tool to have in your house, especially in the summer when there are so many mosquitoes outside. This is called the bug bite thing.